Happy New Year, everyone. How are you? I think you're doing best. I have successfully passed 2025, and what is happened in your life in previous year, and also what you did in your previous year is good. Doesn't matter what happened in your life, and start your journey in 2026. I want to share you some important things because I am learning speaking English, and I wanted to share you how I learned speaking English and how can you learn. If you have shyness, you have low confidence, make a video or recording a video individually and see it. Daily do the practice in 2026 and make your practice because practice makes you perfect. Promise yourself that I can speak in English fluently in 2026. If you start your practice and do as your promise, I'll sure one day you can speak English fluently. Read a book and watch an English movie in your cell phone and pause a video and think what did say in English. Rewind it and see it and understand it. What is the meaning of it? But do not do one thing, think in English. While speaking in English, think in English, then you can speak. If someone speak to you in English, you should listen in English and you should give an answer in English. Do not mistake. Only special this mistake. If someone speak English to you, then listen it and translate. Do not translate in Hindi. Listen it and give answer in English. This practice and this act reach you one day on your goal. To your goal. If you do like this practice, you can also speak in English. Today is lot of cold, that is why my hands is shaking and I also feeling a cold because it's very cold day I can't remove my muffler because of winter. That is why I recording a video like this. If you also want to speak in English, then you should record a video like me and watch it. Don't show everyone. If you have low confidence, record a video and see what did you say and what you wanted to say. Doesn't matter how wrong you say. Speaking English is the not a matter of right and wrong. It's a matter of rhythm. It's a matter of emotion. It's a matter of skills. Make a mistake and learn from mistake. Everybody has a problem of speaking English. Everybody problem of low confidence. Everybody has a problem of thinking in English. But if you practice, your loophole will be gone one day. When I working, I explain in English what I am doing, and if I going to Gorakhpur, while going to Gorakhpur, I explain in English what is happening around me. This practice took me here and I speak in English without any hesitation and without low confidence, with full of confidence. You can also speak English like me if you practice. Without practicing, you only reading, listening, you can't speak in English. Practice is more important. What kind of practice you should do? I think nowadays best practice is record a video in English through you while speaking English. Many students reading an English book, reading in English medium school, but he cannot speak in English. Why? What is the reason for that? Reason is very simple. They read in English, they write in English, but they cannot think in English. That is why he can write English easily. He can read English easily, but he cannot speak English easily. You should do a practice like me and record a video. What is in your mind, speak. If you speak like this, you can make speaking English better and talk to every person in English. Doesn't matter he laughs at you. Search a man or search a boy or student who also wanted to speak English and conversation start with them. with your tutti frutti English. If you speak like this, one day your practice take you to your goal. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep growing.